My name is Marcelo Moreira. I'm 40 years old and I work as an administrative analyst. I had an accident at work around 9 years ago. I was helping the company to move. When I woke up in the hospital, the doctors explained to me that I had been in a coma for a month and that I had lost my hand. Shortly after leaving the hospital, I started rehabilitation, and 8 months after my amputation, I got a mechanical, conventional prosthesis. But I wasn't even able to hold a plastic cup with it. This myoelectric prosthesis is 1,000 times better than the other hand, since it doesn't need cables. By means of sensors, I can hold a plastic cup or a pen, and I'm able to draw or cut up fruit or meat, which I couldn't do before. The conventional prosthesis has a spring for tension and a cable that connects to the shoulder. It works via a shoulder brace. When you make a movement with the shoulder, it opens. When you relax, it lets go, and the spring reintroduces the tension. This myoelectric prosthesis even allows me to hold a plastic cup, hold a knife to cut a steak, do various things, and hold a pen to draw. I wasn't able to do these things with the other one. Also, it doesn't have a cable that gets in the way, so I can go to the beach. This one doesn't have that problem. I can wear it all day and it doesn't get uncomfortable. I just take it off to sleep and shower so it doesn't get wet. That's it. I use a computer a lot. Sometimes I have to type up a contract or write a cover letter, and the prosthesis works well enough to type or hold a pen to write something down to type it up later. You know? It's a great help for me when giving people documents, signing something, or riding a bike in the park or playing music. A friend of mine has a samba group, and every once in a while he asks me to play with them. Today I'll play as well. The prosthesis helps a lot when holding the tambourine, for example, which the other one couldn't do. I played in a samba school before, and I also play the surdo bass drum and the cuica friction drum. The prosthesis helps with all of this, playing the cuica, playing the surdo, the hand tap, the ring tap. The prosthesis is a great help throughout. Also, I like to travel a lot and draw. My hobby is drawing. Before the accident, I drew with my right hand, but afterwards I started drawing with my left hand. Today, the prosthesis helps me draw, and indeed, I do draw with it. My goal is to finish college, where I'm studying business management. I have two goals, actually. The first is to finish my education, and then take some of the money I've saved up and, who knows, start an employment agency or even an IT company to do computer support.